What's up guys, it's Alex. So today I want to talk about one of the most common dropshipping mistakes that I see, something that can lose you a ton of time and money over and over again. So bear with me. So over the next few minutes we'll go over what the mistake is and how you can actually avoid it entirely. So that mistake is actually getting too emotionally attached to a product or a store. So what I see happen a lot of times is people will find a product they really like and build a store around it, and they'll do extensive amounts of testing. They'll test different angles, they'll test different offers, they'll test different audiences, creatives, everything that you gotta test, but the results are horrible. Instead of moving on to the next product, these people are so emotionally attached to it that they keep going time and time again, trying to make it a winning product when it just does not meet the criteria. Now this happens to so many people in the beginning stages of e-commerce. You find a product you really like and you just keep going with it no matter what the results are telling you. I'm not gonna lie, this happened to me so many times to where I would find a product I like and I would test every angle I could, every offer I could, and it just wouldn't work. I don't know for what reason, whether it was too saturated or if it just wasn't a good product to begin with. But the point is, you need to find a set of criteria to follow for each product that you think about selling, and then know when to actually kill a Facebook ads campaign or whatever ads you're running and move on to the next product. So I actually really like comparing this to investing and just stock trading in general. So if you guys don't know, I'm actually a full-time day trader. I've been doing this long before I got into e-commerce, and that's actually where I got my start in business and finance, just all things related to money. But the point is, if you guys pick a stock that you really like and you're just too emotionally attached to, but nobody else sees value in it and it's just gonna downtrend, you're gonna lose money time and time again. No matter how many times you post on social media to the moon or tell your friends to buy or just sit there and cross your fingers that it's gonna recover, you're going to lose money. The point of that is you need to do research in anything you invest in, whether it's a stock, whether it's real estate, or whether it's business. Now, I'm not saying kill every ad campaign on the first day that it's unprofitable, not at all. But what I am saying is you need to do the right research beforehand. You need to put in the time to do the product research. You need to make sure each product meets your criteria. And before you run any ads, you need to come up with multiple angles and multiple offers that you can test. Then, if you test all of the angles and offers that you came up with beforehand and it still flops on the testing phase, then maybe it's time to move on to the next product. So what exactly do I mean by testing different offers and testing different angles? Well, the offer is actually the offer that you put in front of your audience when running ads. So this is what you use as an incentive to get them to buy. So you can say like 50% off or 50% off plus free shipping over $50. You guys can come up with endless offers to test, and one of them should work. Now, testing different angles. Well, each product can have multiple uses. So let's just say this is the first thing that I found right here. Bad example, but here's a photography umbrella. So you just put this right in front of your photography lights. You can sell it as a photography umbrella or you can sell it as a rain umbrella. Those are two different angles. So my main takeaway from this video is come up with a set of criteria. This has to be criteria that you follow anytime you're looking for a winning product. So you can say not sold in stores, unique product, solve the problem, anything like that. So make sure you build your list of criteria and follow it every time you do product research. Then, once you choose a product that you want to test, come up with as many offers and as many angles that you possibly can, and make sure to test each one during the testing phase. And if all else fails, move on to the next product, and it's time to test until you find something that works for you. So I did want to keep this video short and simple and just offer you guys a little piece of advice so you guys don't end up losing money in the long run. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources in the description below. Be sure to check out both of those, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.